Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily generate captions by using the Auto Captions feature on the CapCut PC. So if you have a video that you want to add subtitles or captions, but you are too lazy to write it one by one, you can just easily use the Auto Captions. So this is how it works. So what you need to do is just import the clip and then go to tags. And in here, find the Auto Captions feature, choose the language, and then click on Create. And after that, you just need to wait until CapCut generate the Auto Captions and add it to your clips. Okay, so now, as you guys can see here, the captions has been added to my clips.
Here's how it works. I'm going to ask you
This
a
is the
question.
captions.
You can either choose.
If you want to change like the font and the color of the caption, you can always do so. So for example, I want to change it into this font, and also I'm going to make it bigger like this. And you can also change the color if you want. Okay, but please make sure that you check on this apply to all to apply the changes to all of your caption like this.
Here's how it works. I'm going to ask you a question. To answer
Okay,
that.
thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and comment if you have any questions. Bye.